Welcome to OSHWLab. Today, we're bringing you an amazing project. Let's take a closer look. What if you could build your own pocket camera? This DIY mini digital camera, powered by OSHWLab 32S3 Sense, captures and displays images in real time. A 240-240 TFT display lets you see everything instantly. Triple button interface, shoot, browse, and switch fully intuitive. Built-in microSD storage lets you instantly review your shots. To achieve such a compact form factor, designed a custom PCB using EasyEDA. If you want to replicate this, build with a professional finish. The design is fully compatible with JLC PCB manufacturing service. The project has been published on OSHWLab. Build, remix, and improve it.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.